Okay, so today I'd like to show you the Sundance 2022. This is a 242R, but it is a bunkhouse. So there's some nice features inside. So let's go inside and look around. So as you walk in, you have a bunk room to the back here. And then as you look over here, the kids have their own bathroom, which is very helpful. And then as we come out this way, this is your open living space. You've got your TV right here. And this is a sofa that would turn into a bed. So there's another sleeping space there and even another sleeping space here. So you could possibly fit a lot of people in this unit. And you've got lots of counter space, cabinets up above. And then as we come back in here, we've got a really nice glass shower here with plenty of cabinet space here and counter space. And then you've got another entrance right here. And your walk-around queen-size bed with lots of cabinets all around. Great floor plan, so for a big family. If you'd like to come on out and view this, give me a call. My name is Mary. My number is 406-850-4590. Thanks so much and have a great day.